Looking for the best solar generators? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 solar generators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Jackery, Portable Power Station Explorer 160. Designed to charge phones and small electronics and has 2 USB ports. Pairs easily with Jackery Solar Saga 60 watts/100 watts panels. Has a built-in flashlight and SOS mode if you need help. Lightweight at less than 4 pounds. Made by a trusted brand, this generator possesses its signature build-tough construction. Limited to small devices, so it's not ideal if you intend to charge larger ones or small appliances. At number 2. Goal Zero, Yeti 150 Solar Generator Kit with Nomad 20 solar panel. Charges quickly with either included solar panel or AC adapter. Battery life is fairly reliable and lasts 8 or more hours for many users. Comes at a very reasonable price point. Equipped with 2 USB ports for device charging. A popular and affordable solar generator with an included solar panel that charges the compact battery quickly. Rare issues with charging or with variable battery life. A bit clunky to store. At number 1. Jackery, Explorer 240 Portable Power Station Solar Generator. Charges via solar panel, AC adapter, or carport. Useful for powering various low wattage items and effective at charging smartphones and tablets. Great for CPAP machines too. Decent price. For an affordable price, this portable solar generator will keep your devices charged on your next camping trip. Solar panel that pairs with it must be purchased separately. Some longevity concerns. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.